Hello guys! So ito ay maglalaro tayo ng The Survey. Mukhang nakakatakot naman na game na to. Kaya bago tayo magsimula, huwag niyo muna kalimutan mag-like at mag-subscribe. Click nyo na rin yung bell para ma-notify kung may bago ako video. Let's play! Now loading. Loaded. Uy! Ano to? Uy, saro natin ito. Baka para tayo makita dito. Start survey. Yes. This is the provide to test if you are qualified. So please be honest. The survey will begin now. Are you having a nice day? Yes. Have you looked around? Yes, I have looked around. Are you familiar with your surroundings? No. Correct. You have just walked up here. Do you know where you are? No. Correct. Uy, namulaan ko yun ah. There's no way you could knock down. Do you have any heart diseases? No. Good. Have you ever had a panic attack? No. Great. Uy, ang galing ko ah. Siguro ako na ate qualified dito. Do you believe there's a God? There is a God? Yes. Do you believe in ghosts? Yes. Good. Uy, mukhang qualified ako dito ah. Are you answering these questions out of free will? Yes. Are you sure? Okay, yes. That's great. Uy, mukhang ako na ato'y qualified dito ah. Do you feel comfortable in your room? No. If the lights went out, would you be scared? Uy, there's light too. No. Buti, di ako nagulat dun. Have you ever wondered when you will die? No. Are you scared of that open door? No. Matapang ako. Did you take a look around? Yes. Oo naman, paulit-ulit naman yung sinasabi mo. Do you have any enemies? No. If you suddenly went missing, would anybody come looking for you? Yes. Are you alone? Yes. Have you looked out of windows? Uy, sino ka? Yes. If you scream, would you anybody hear? Yes. Do you know the person standing behind you? Ah! Ano yun? So, nagulat ako dun ah. Relax. Okay, relax. Take some time to relax. Relax. Did that scare you? No, nagulat lang ako. Are you alone now? No. Correct. Bakit? Dalawa bang dito? Do you believe that I know a little secret about you? No, di ko alam. Are you from Philippines? Yes. Nasa Philippines naman ako. Is all of this enough for you? Yes. Well then. Wait lang. Do you want to end survey now? Ano yan? Really? Yes, mukhang hacker to ah. Yes. You have made it this far. And now you want to quit? You want to quit? Oh, gusto ko na mag-quit. I will ask you once again just to be sure. Do you really want to end survey now? Fine. I get it. You can leave this room, just walk through the door. Gulat ako dun ah. Nagulat ako, na-jumpscare ako. So guys, ayoko na dito. Mukhang nakagulat to. Daros guys, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa video na ko. Pambira. Nagulat ako dun ah. Huwag niyo muna kalimutan mag-like, mag-comment, at mag-subscribe. Kung gusto niya yun ng part 2, ay lalaroin ko ulit to. Kaso, jumpscare na naman ako nun. Ay, bye-bye guys.